Hello friends, this is Jafar Abbas. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can make an animation using the particles in 3ds Max. In this video I am going to show you how you can make an animation like this one. But for a change, I'm going to make it more interesting, and instead of using this teapot for the animation, I'm going to use this shoe. I'm going to use this shoe and I'm going to create the same animation using this shoe here. So do not go anywhere, watch the video till entire end. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get the notifications for the future video. So let's start the video. Let's start making the animation. Now let's start. First of all, I will have to open the particle view window, and to open the particle view window you can either press the 6 button, numeric 6 on your keyboard. Press and the window will appear. And the second way to open is press X button and type here particle view. Here you can click on it, the window will open. Now what I'm going to do is to select this M particle flow option from here. I'm selecting it and I'm going to drag it here. Now you can see an automatic animation is created here. Now I'm going to make some changes. First I want to change the shape of it. Now go to this shape option here and I'm going to change the shape of it. Here I am selecting the shape sphere 80 sides. Now check the animation. The shape has changed. Now what I'm going to do is to select this and drag it upward. Drag it upward. And now I'm going to create a surface on which after the falling the ball lands. I'm creating a surface area here. Let's increase the size, scale it. Now let's check. It's looking nice. But now I want to apply the material on the surface area here. The material is already selected here. I'm selecting a floor material. Let's just apply on it. Now I'm going to adjust the material using the UVW map here. Now select here the box and just drag it. That's it. Now you can see it's getting the feeling that it is landing on this surface. Now I'm again going to this particle view window, and here I'm selecting this MP shape option. You will have to change the shape here as well. Here I'm selecting the sphere option. Now as you can see the balls are behaving differently. The bounce has increased. Now let's play with these options. Here in restitution you can adjust the bounce. I'm taking it as 0.5, and now on static friction I'm taking the value of 5. Let's reduce the bounce to 0.25, and in dynamic friction I am taking a value of 2. Now check, the bounce is increased. Now I'm going to increase the size. I'm applying the scale here to increase the volume and spread. Now I'm going to this shape option and reducing the size here. I'm making it 5 right now. Let's check in preview. There are more adjustments are required. Let's go to the particle view window again. Now I'm selecting the first option, which is birth grid, and I'm going to decrease the grid size here. That option is going to increase the number of ball counts inside. The number of balls is increased. I'm making the grid size to 4 right now. As you can see here that the number of ball counts has increased and spread has increased right now. Now mark a click on this option, alternate lateral offset. Now you can see it will change the positions and make a pattern of balls over here. Now what I want to play this same animation inside the body of a shoe. So for that I have already bring the shoe in this file. So first of all I am going to unhide the shoe. Now I am only using the one shoe here. Just drag it to the box. I want to place it inside the box. You can also check out the modeling of this shoe video. I will give the link in the description. You can check out from there as well. First, I need to stop this display of balls so that I can fix the shoes in the box more correctly. So for that, I am again going to this particle view window, and I am going to click on this display option. Just click on this display option. It will off the display of balls on the screen. Now you can adjust the size more easily. Now select this empty word box and push it to the right. Now what I'm going to do is to go in this birth grid option, and I'm going to click here restrict by match volume, and now I'm going to click here on this option interactive update, and here on this option reference geometry, I'm going to click here and select this shoe. You can see the plain one is updated here. Now unhide the balls, click on this display option. As you can see, the balls are placed inside the shoe. Now let's play. There is a need to increase the ball counts here. Now again go to the particle view window, and now I'm going to this shape option, and here I'm reducing the size. Instead of 5 I am making it 3 right now. Now I'm going to this birth grid option. I'm reducing the grid size here. I'm making it 2 for now. That will increase the ball counts. Now let's play and check. It is looking better, but there is a further requirement to increase the ball count here. Now let's increase the ball counts more. Now I'm again going to this shape option and I'm going to reduce the size here. I'm making the size here 2. Now I'm again going to this birth grid option and making the grid size as 1. Here you can see the ball count has increased and it's looking very good right now. Let's play and check. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select this MP word and I'm going to this option. I'm going to this option, cache break simulation. Press here. And let's wait. Now mark a check on this run bake simulation and play. It has been running smooth now. It is looking very nice. You can hide this. And play now. So dear viewers, thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon, and also let me know in the comments box so that every time I come up with better videos,